Asterisms are unofficial groupings of stars that form recognizable patterns in the night sky and are not one of the 88 official constellations. Famous asterisms are the Big Dipper and Little Dipper, for example. Another asterism that we're going to look at is the teapot within the constellation of Sagittarius. On the left, we have the constellation, and on the right, we have the asterism. Now, the constellation is defined by this yellow dashed border. Now, the stars that are within the yellow dashed border that make up a recognizable pattern form the constellation. And the constellation is denoted by these green lines connecting these white stars, and the stars are given these Greek alphabetical letters, or they have names if they're famous. Now, an asterism would be the most popular or brightest portion within a constellation of these stars, or it could involve stars that are in several constellations, at least one or more. In the case of Sagittarius, we are going to look at very bright stars within the constellation of Sagittarius that form a recognizable pattern. So we want to draw in this teapot. So I'm going to connect the famous bright stars that form the recognizable pattern of the asterism called the teapot. So on your left is the constellation, but of the constellation are the brightest stars that form the recognizable pattern called the teapot. And the teapot is the asterism of the constellation Sagittarius.